Welcome back. Now, what choosing the theme actually does for us is it gives us a consistent way of being able to apply titles as well as formatting throughout the book. And what we've done so far is we have worked with the title page. Now, what we can also do is we can work with the first page of every chapter. So for example, if we go to click on this thumbnail for chapter 1, and then we put our cursor inside of the text, what you're going to notice is that you have an element side and a formatting side. If we click the element side, what you're going to notice is that we are now inside of the title page, and we can then make sure that our title is going to be consistent with our title page as well as all of the other chapters that we make changes to. If we make changes to the title page and we want to make changes to this title formatting, we can then take this common element and we can do it throughout all of the chapters once it's been set. If you have a subtitle, if you have an author name, if you have a part title, if you have a part subtitle, you can make sure that they're going to be consistent throughout all of the chapters. So what we're going to do now is just make sure that our first page of every chapter is going to be formatted in the way that we want it. And so for example, we're going to highlight this title. We're going to go to the formatting, and we're going to make a decision about how we want the titles of our chapters to be formatted. And if we decide that what we want is we want this to be a certain kind of font for all of our titles, we can do that. And so now what we're going to do, and now that this is set, we're going to leave this as it is, and we're going to make the same change throughout all of our chapters. So we've just changed chapter 1. Now what we can do is we can go and we can change chapter 2. We can highlight chapter 2. We can then make that the same title. We can now go to chapter 3. We can highlight it. We can then make it the same title as the others. And we're now going to do this effectively throughout our entire ebook. Once you have your title pages set the way you want them, you can then click Save. And you are then ready to move on to the next step of the formatting process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.